Maniac Review here again. So I have an iPhone. What is it? iPhone XS Max, I think, or whatever one it is they discontinued. That's what I have right now. I have a case on it, as you see. An otter box that I bought. This is just like the rubber shell, plastic back, no front screen protector or anything. It's just a screen. But the case is supposed to protect it from like falls and cracks and stuff. So, if you can see that in the camera back there, that's all cracked back there. I assumed it was the case, but when you take the case off, that is my iPhone. My iPhone had no breaks in the back, nothing cracked on the back at all. Yes, I've dropped it multiple times, but with cases on it, no problem at all. Nothing ever went bad with this case on it. And then I just dropped it maybe 4 feet, and the back of it just decided to crack on the iPhone. So this case did protect nothing on this phone. So this little out-of-box case for $4 that I bought directly from Apple doesn't protect really anything. This case, like I said, has survived other falls, like 2-3 feet. Nothing wrong with the phone, but today, nice big old crack in the corner, and I cracked all the back of the glass on my iPhone. So do I really care to get it fixed? No, because I think Apple and most phones out there are junk, because nobody wants to build a phone that actually lasts. Everybody's worried about, oh, buy the new model, buy this. I could care less about that, to be completely honest. I'd rather just have a phone that operates and works, and that would last me. Maybe a couple of years. Maybe after like 3 years, maybe 4 years, buy a new phone. I'm fine with that. Every 2 years, every year, that's a load of bullshit. I can just tell you that right now, a load of bullshit. It's all business right there, all business for companies. That is a proven fact, I can tell you that. Otherwise, why would companies keep coming out with new phones every year if they didn't want you to buy a new model every year and then make your old phone not work as well? But I am so far not happy with the Apple products, I would say, mostly. I think they are slowly falling the other way, like most products. Over time, some products go up in value, some products go down. I'd rather have a aluminum back. I understand that you can't wireless charge, I don't think, but I could care less about that too right now. I'd rather have something that's durable and that lasts, so I don't have to worry about glass breaking and then I start cutting my fingers up, because that's a safety hazard right there. If the glass breaks, technically you cut your fingers on it. That's a safety hazard. So having glass phones is technically not the safest products to have out there, in all honesty. Maniac Review, venting a little bit about this little issue right here, but Maniac Review, signing off on another video. But like I said, definitely not happy with my case that I actually had on the phone at the time, just like this, and that's how it was. But like I said, Maniac Review, signing off.